Alright guys, you remember this elevator at platform 2 in Barnsley Train station? Well, it's working again. What it actually needed doing is that it actually needed a new door fitted. So that's why you saw the barrier on the platform level. So let's head down to the platform level. Now we'll show you what they managed to install. Go down to platform level.
Opening. Lift going down. Doors closing.
Right, here we are at platform level. It's a Hammered and Champness hydraulic. We'll get out here, and when the doors close, now I'll show you what they installed. Alright then, so what they actually did is that they actually installed a stainless steel door right here. So yeah, it'll be unbreakable now. So let's go back on up to a footbridge, and we'll end the video there.
Doors closing.
You didn't totally see the difference. These are hydraulic elevators. And that's it.